If you don't find out the dark mode option in your Facebook app, then watch this video till the end. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable dark mode in Facebook app. First of all, you have to update your Facebook app. If your app is up to date, then open it. After that, tap on the three line at the top right side. Then scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Setting. One thing you have to keep in your mind: if you have installed and reinstalled the Facebook app very recently or log into your app with a new Facebook account, then you may not find the dark mode option. So don't worry about that. Just follow the instruction from setting. Tap on the search icon, then search dark mode, then tap on it. Now enable it, and following this simple procedure, you can enable dark mode on your Facebook app. One thing remember, if you subscribe the channel, this profile picture will start smiling.